Hi guys, today's juice, this is the 2 o'clock juice. We didn't talk much before because it was the same juice from yesterday. The 8 o'clock in the morning was the celery and pear, and the 11 o'clock was which one?
Super juice, no.
Super juice, yeah. Super juice, the 11 o'clock. No, it was not the super juice because it was with beetroot.
What's something different?
Yeah, was another one different. It's with beetroot. I will let you know about it. But this one now is passion for juice. You have yogurt, you have banana and spinach, orange, and should be pineapple, but swap for orange, and apple, one apple.
Yeah.
So today I woke up really good. I didn't feel tired or headache, no nothing. So today's really adjusted. I didn't miss coffee. I missed coffee, but it's psychological. And that's it.
That's it. Now let's try the juice. What are we talking about? Looks delicious.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, it's nice. It's very heavy, yeah. Mustache.
Leaves you with a mustache.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Because of the yogurt inside. Tastes a little bit like food.
So, that's it, guys.
It for now, and we'll see you later
See you later at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock
Yeah.
for the evening juice.
See you. The last juice for the evening is the 9 o'clock one. It's always the same, the 9 o'clock one. It's just a treat for you, the apple and cinnamon.
Super delicious.
Super delicious, especially today is a little bit cold.
The cold means 11 degrees Celsius.
Yeah. So see you tomorrow, guys. Thanks for watching. Hi guys! Today is the day 4 of our juice challenge. This is the 5 p.m. juice. We didn't record the process of making the juice because you all saw us just putting the juicer and press, so there's no point to keep recording it.
Eat it all the time, over and over.
The juice for now is the turbo juice. The 5 o'clock and the 8 o'clock is the turbo express. Is the same we had yesterday. And the 5 o'clock and 8 o'clock. And the 9 o'clock one is also the same we had every day. It's the apple and cinnamon. So we're not recording them. That's why we're just recording now.
So far we feel good.
Yeah.
We're turning green. You see it on my t-shirt now. Color's changing.
Today I'm feeling a little bit hungry the whole day, but it's just because
she's savage.
We had a messed up day. We had a leak in the sink, and yeah, so we were messed up today. But that's why maybe I'm hungry the whole day. But it's just a little bit, nothing that a juice can't fix. And
so we're recording day 3 and 4 now together in one video. Because the editing takes a lot of time, we figured, and we got another project in which we have to work on. So we will do 3 and 4 in one day, and then 5, 6, and 7 on Monday in a final review of the challenge, if we survive, if we had to go to the hospitals, if some of us died of starvation. We will see.
Yeah.
So we planned to do it every single day, but it got too massive in work, and we have a computer which had a very slow graphic card.
Yeah.
So working
And
on it
we had this project
is
coming
a
this
pain
week.
in there.
And then everything got messed up, so I couldn't even finish the videos, and it's all together. So we decided to do now the 3 and 4 together, and 5, 6, and 7 we post on Monday.
Yeah. So we will still drink juices all over
Yeah.
weekend, and Monday is our first day in freedom again. But we can be normal again.
Yeah. So see you then. Thanks for watching.
See you guys. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos, and be with us.